The Ramban writes in Sha'ar Gmul something very interesting. He says that what is the meaning of the verse in Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 14 that says God has made this corresponding to this? The Ramban writes it means that He created the righteous and He created the wicked. He created Gan Eden and He created Gehinnom. Each person has two portions, one in Gan Eden and one in Gehinnom. If the righteous man is meritorious, he takes his own portion of reward, meaning he goes to his Olam Haba, and the portion of his friend to Gan Eden. The wicked man, on the other hand, who's guilty, however, takes his portion of punishment, all the punishment for what he did, and the portion of his friend to Gehinnom. So Chazal says, what does it mean? Why is he, if he's righteous, why does he get two Gan Edens? And if he's wicked, he gets two Gehinnoms. He gets punished for himself and for his friend. How come? Says, if he's righteous, he did Teshuva, he stopped sinning. What did he also do? He did Kiruv. He helped somebody else do Teshuva. What if that guy didn't want to do it? He told his friend, listen, I heard Rabbi Reuven says, no Shabbat, no Olam Haba. His friend says, how about this? You and this rabbi, you guys go fly kite. I'm going to go back and do whatever I want. I'm going to do whatever I want. No Shabbat for me. Ramban says, no problem. You did Kiruv. You tried telling him. He didn't want to listen. Guess what? His Olam Haba goes to you. Because you're righteous, you did Teshuva, his Olam Haba goes to you. And the Gehinnom you were supposed to get goes to him. Another reason why it's worth to do Kiruv. Why? You win either way. You win either way. If he does Teshuva, you get 310 more worlds. But if he doesn't, you still get his. Why? Because now, even though it says, Kol Yisrael Yesh Lahem Chelek L'Olam Haba, all of Am Yisrael have a share of the world to come, meaning they all have a place in Olam Haba designated for them. But if they do not fulfill the rules, they don't follow the rules, they don't keep Shabbat, they don't keep Tarat Mishpacha, they don't keep all of the major laws, they keep making sins of karet, and don't do Teshuva, what happens to this Olam Haba? They can't go to them. The ticket won't work. So where does it go? It goes to any person that helped them, at least tried to help them do Teshuva. It goes to their friend. That's who's your friend. Someone that rebukes you.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh V'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Be'ezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app, full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the Shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Call to B'chava Tzlacha.